Exposing the lazy chef's secret to comfort food. This no-chop chicken and wild rice soup is fast, cozy, and totally delicious. Are you ready? Start with a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Shred it with 2 forks, or pull apart the chicken with your hands. Grab a bag of pre-cooked wild rice. Or use an instant wild rice blend. No raw rice to babysit. In a large pot, melt butter. Sauté a diced onion substitute. Use a small jar of minced shallots, or use green onion slices from the fridge. Still no chopping. Add a frozen mixed vegetable blend. Cook until thawed. Pour in 6 cups of low-sodium chicken broth. Add the pre-cooked wild rice. Stir in the shredded chicken. Add a splash of cream.
Rice are simmered and ready. Now, take a full ladle of heavy cream, pour it slowly right into the center. Stir gently to blend all the rich flavors.
But I still raise my head when the storm.
Or add a scoop of Greek yogurt. Season with salt. Season with pepper. Add thyme tuck in a bay leaf. Simmer 10 to 15 minutes to meld flavors. Taste and adjust. Add more lemon if you like it bright.
But I still raise my head when the storm.
Or add hot sauce for heat. Ladle the soup into bowls. Garnish with parsley from a jar, or garnish with jarred chives. Dig in. Comfort food, zero chopping.
Thank the Lord above for the life I choose. From the front porch dreams to the neon bars, living slow beneath these southern stars. Yeah, this old life may not be brand new, but it's mine, just on my boots. Friday night lights and a gravel road race, sweet tea kisses and a firefly chase. Grandpa's radio playing Hank all night, while the moon hung low like a porch light. Neighbors wave when you pass on by. Everybody knows when somebody cries. We hold each other when the times get rough, 'cause down here love is more than enough. And someday when they lay me down near the church outside this little town, I hope they say you love this land with an open heart and honest hand. Still got dust on my boots, fire in my veins, a little bit wiser from the wind and rain. I've walked these roads and I've paid my dues, still singing live with the southern blues. From the backseat prayers to these old guitars, living free beneath God's country stars. Yeah, this worn out road still pulls me through. With dust on my boots.